Well, hello everybody. So if you saw the title of this video, you know exactly what I am here building or working on. And we'll see if I can actually get this open. There we go. I ordered a sander off Amazon, so this is my first opportunity to use it. This is the one I'm using. But anyway, today I am here to show you how to DIY your own Tesseract that Loki so lovingly steals or wants all the time. And you'll need a few things. It's actually a pretty inexpensive build, and it's fun first project for a lot of people. Sorry about the trash can in the background, but I needed to be outside for the sanding. So you are going to need a baseball case. This is going to be your actual Tesseract plastic. Let me take this one out. This one I think I got for $3 on Amazon. I will link it in the description box in case you were interested. So you'll need this. You'll need obviously sanding, sandpaper, sand machine, and then also LED lights. I will link these as well. Also purchased off Amazon, and some frosted spray paint, which I will also link below. But I think in total, everything cost me under, well, don't count the sander because that was for many other things, but everything in total to make my own Tesseract, I believe it was under $20 for everything. But let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, take your box out of the plastic. So as you can see, pretty basic. You are going to want to sand these as much as humanly possible because you want something for the paint to stick to when you spray it down. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my sander and then come right back. Okay, so I'm going to take this. They suggest wet sanding, which I'm definitely going to do, but I'm also going to do a bit of just dry sanding as well. So let's get to it. So here's the first part. Now you can see it's nice and foggy, so I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of this. Obviously you can do this by hand if you want, but again, this is something I'm going to use a lot for a lot of different projects. I chose to invest that, I think it was $20 or a little bit less for this. And as you can see, already got a lot done with very little elbow grease. So let's finish these guys. So these are the completely sanded pieces. I had a little bit of trouble right here on the edges, but it's okay. You can do it with just, you know, by hand if you want, or don't even worry about it because it's going to be hidden when we spray paint. So next step is to actually spray this box down with a couple coats of the frosted spray paint. So let's get to that. Okay, so this is the spray paint that I purchased at Michael's. It was on sale, so I think I got it for maybe $6 or $7. You basically want the frosted finish. Silver is best. Whatever you can find should work. And we're gonna go ahead and lightly coat the box. Let's see if I can turn this so you can see. Nope, there we go. We're just gonna lightly coat it to give it that frosted look. So here we go. It dries really quickly, so I'm gonna do a few coats of this and then we'll come right back to it. So I went ahead and opened up my mini LED batteries, LED case, and went ahead and put in 3 AA's and tested it, and it worked great. So basically this is battery operated, so you can turn it on and off when it's all done, obviously. But there's my lights, and once everything's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this and then stick that right into the case, close it up, and my Tesseract will be finished. Okay, so here is my finished frosted baseball case. And I have to figure out how to open it again. Give me a second here. I can't remember which way I took it apart. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so there's that. Here are my lights. They come wrapped and tied. So if you want to keep them that way, you can. Or if you look at the movie, it kind of looks like there's like floating pieces within the Tesseract itself. So because I like that look, I'm going to go ahead and undo some of this so it's a bit more spread out, as it were. And then I have some wax paper that I will show you in a second. Sorry, probably should have done this without getting on video. Right, have some of this. What's the technical term? Press and seal multi-purpose sealing wrap. And what I'm going to do is wrap the pieces around and kind of make like a ball. And take my lights, kind of just wrap it around so it has something to stick to and it's not just, and notice I'm going to loop it kind of crazy. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there we go. And then turn it on. There's my Tesseract. I'm actually going to do it that way. I don't know if I'm going to tape it or not, but basically the battery pack is just wide enough, as you can see, that it fits perfectly. And then this side. And now I might adjust it a little bit, but now I am burdened with glorious purpose. So I hope this was a fun little DIY for you, and I hope you're looking forward to the new Loki TV show on Disney Plus, because I know I am.